Alright, Bear here with If That's the Case, and I'm going to do my first impromptu video. I'm going to do my impromptu video on the Fractal Design Define Mini, and we are going to do a noise test of both with and without the noise suppression material. So, let's just dig in. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is throw the case back together, and there's a minor trick to that, which is I got new equipment to do case reviews with, and that is the Corsair H60 all-in-one water cooler. So what I have to do now is I have to take off the Corsair H60 and then throw on the stock cooler so that we can really hear the fans as close to stock as possible. So while I do the whole time-lapse thing, how about we play some music? Echo, play my favorite music.
Lulu, skip to my Lulu.
Echo, stop. Oh my gosh, I'll just play some music through YouTube. So now we're going to do a sound comparison. Now please note I do not have a shotgun microphone. Instead I have what is known as a studio mic, aka kind of like a talk radio mic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the microphone right up to the fans, or right up to parts of the case, and it's not going to really determine how loud the case is. Rather, it's going to be a comparison of noise before and after the sound dampening material is on. So let's go ahead and try it with all the sound dampening stuff on it, and then we'll try it without. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the back panel of this, I'm going to remove the side panel of this case. I'm going to remove the sound dampening materials, both here and here. I'm also going to open the front door, and we'll do another sound test. So I stopped editing this video basically at this point, and I am now recording myself. So I was going to make this video originally for Dr. Drzpochy, who left a comment on my YouTube video case review for the Fractal Design Define Mini, and he suggested doing a sound comparison with the noise dampening material on and the noise dampening material off of the Fractal Design Define Mini case. And so I thought that was a great idea, and I tried. It turns out that both my ears and the microphone did not pick up the sound difference. In fact, even when I cranked up the volume on both of the with and without of the sound dampening material, there was no change whatsoever. So I think I can clearly say that there is either it's pretty quiet and you can't tell, or I don't have proper equipment. But I think even if I didn't have proper equipment, that there would be some variant of change and sound. And I know it's picking up sound, because when I put it to the very back of the case, it's picking up noise, and there's no noise difference on the very back of the case, because there was never sound dampening back there. Anyways, I just wanted to actually render this video and show you that I was working on doing this, and I'm sorry that it turned out to be a flop, but I will say that for the Fractal design, it is a extremely quiet case with or without the sound dampening material. So the only way I can see it getting louder is if you add other fans that aren't part of the case, that aren't stock, because that's, you know, that's not part of the case. That's part of the DIY experience for the PC building. Anyways, I hope you're having a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, morning, however it might be for you, and I hope to see you around. Alright, thanks.